Visita hari väntan och spela lite Dota.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk to you about some good features of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Both devices look a lot like the S8 and S8 Plus, and for good reason, as those were some of the best smartphones released last year. But the new models also boast a number of upgrades, including a nice camera, better fingerprint scanner placements, more color options, and some creepy AR emoji nobody has defended yet. The S9 starts at $720 and S9 Plus starts at $840. So let's take a look at some good features of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Number 1. Easier to reach the fingerprint reader. The biggest immediate difference from last year's S8 and S8 Plus is that Samsung has listened to customers and moved the fingerprint scanner from the right side of camera to underneath for easier access. Those with larger hands may not notice these high quality live improvements as much, but for others it will be an improvement over the old. It also just makes more intuitive sense to not have to stretch one's pointer finger to the side of a camera to unlock a phone, risking a lens smear along the way. Number 2. Taller, brighter displays. This benefit might seem incremental to some, but it is notable to that the 5.8-inch S9 and 6.2-inch S9 Plus are some of the biggest and brightest smartphones on the market, even if just by a slight margin. The iPhone 8 Plus, Apple's largest flagship phone, is only 5.5 inches, although the Note 8 is 6.3 inches. Samsung is still using AMOLED panels with 2916 to 1440 pixel resolutions, which is same as the Note 8, but both phones have extra tall 18:5:9 screens this year, and they are slightly brighter. They also have edge-to-edge displays with slim to no bezels, and they are water resistant just like other flagship smartphones. Now we have to remember that no iPhone 10 notch on top of the S9 or S9 Plus. Number 3. The camera can change aperture. Oh, this is an amazing feature of S9 and S9 Plus. The S9 and S9 Plus also gets Samsung's second camera that can use software to sense the level of light and automatically switch aperture. So if there is enough light around the camera, we'll switch to f2.4 aperture and capture more of the background in a photo. In darker conditions, the camera will remain at a bright f1.5. The camera app has also been redesigned so that it's easier to swipe through different modes, and there are other slight improvements like better autofocus, multi-frame noise reduction, and higher slow motion video quality up to 720 pixels. Between S9 and S9 Plus, although camera have similar specs, the S9 Plus features an additional wide-angle camera for dual rear-facing cameras, while the S9 has a single 12-megapixel rear camera. So, if you are a photographer or camera geek who is looking for a phone that can deliver, the S9 and S9 Plus are certainly worth consideration. Again, for those who aren't paying attention to camera specs or who already rely on a DSLR for their photos, the S9 and S9 Plus cameras may not be a major draw. Let's move on to the fourth point. Number 4. The headphone jack. Even the biggest dongle enthusiasts have had bad days that lost a dongle or two and misplaced their wireless headphones. Okay, Maybe that hasn't happened to everyone, but headphone jacks can still be extremely useful. The option is good even if you elect not to use it. The S9 and S9 Plus have retained their headphone jacks, unlike other phones in class, including the iPhone 10, 8 and 8 Plus, Pixel 2 XL or the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. That is a blessing for audiophiles who just aren't satisfied with the current state of wireless audio, and for people who even have a designated pouch for their dongles but still lost them. Dongles are tiny and easy to misplace. So, I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my videos for more tech videos. So, let's see in another video. Till then, bye.